Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering everything down and unplugging the Magsafe cable. This prevents shorts and protects circuits. Next, visually inspect both ends so you know where dirt or corrosion sits. With isopropyl 70%, 90%, and a lint-free cloth ready, dampen the cloth slightly, not dripping, and wipe the outer cable sheath. Use a dry cotton swab to lift loose dust from the connector face. These first actions remove surface grime and let you see deeper problems before more detailed work. Once surface dirt is gone, focus on the connector pins and magnetic face because conductivity hinges on clean contact points. Moisten a cotton swab with isopropyl and rotate it across each pin. This dissolves oils and oxidation without leaving residue. For tight crevices, brush gently with a soft toothbrush to loosen particles, then blow them out with compressed air in short bursts. Make sure not to soak the connector. Too much liquid can wick into the cable and cause internal damage. After cleaning, let the connector and cable air dry completely for 10-15 minutes so all alcohol evaporates. This ensures no conductive residue remains. Then re-inspect for frays, bent pins, or persistent corrosion. Those require replacement rather than more cleaning. Reconnect and test charging. If charging is intermittent, make sure to swap the power adapter or port to isolate the fault. If the cable still fails, the troubleshooting tip is to stop using it and replace it, because internal damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.